Yeah! Today we're going to talk about car engines. I have to be real, I really like cars a lot. But I've always wondered, how do they work? How? After a lot of work, I finally have the answer. And that is because of the engine.
Short answer.
But how does an engine work?
Not again.
How? And that's what we are going to talk about today.
Finally.
An engine consists of 3 or more parts.
And they are
Piston head, crankshafts, and weights that make up an engine. What would a car look like with no outer metal? Well, if we took off the badge, the lights, the wheels, rims, a front axle, rear axle, tail lights, exhaust, it would probably look something like this. Now let's learn the 4-stroke cycle. Suck, which pulls in air and fuel mixture. Squeeze, which compresses this mixture for ignition. Bang, which ignites it and pushes the piston back. Blow, which pushes all the exhaust gas out. And that's how an engine works. Let's see how everything is timed. This is called a camshaft. A camshaft has a teardrop shape that pushes on a rod, which is connected to a spring. The valve opens or closes when the teardrop shape presses on the wheel. Camshafts are connected to a rod which is connected to 2 gears which are connected to a timing belt. The timing belt is then connected to the crankshaft. This makes perfect timing. So another question I had was, what starts this process? Electric motor turns mechanical energy to electrical energy, which is then stored in a battery. When starting up, some energy is given to the starter motor. An engine can wear out and not work. That's why we have to take proper care of it. An engine can get very hot. To prevent this, we have to pour water in the radiator. And how does the radiator work? Simple. The water comes in one way and cools the engine, taking all the heat, then goes to the radiator. The radiator has 2 fans that spin to cool the hot water and goes back and cools the engine. Friction can also cause the engine to slow down. Make sure you oil your engine.
So subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated for my latest videos.
And this video is yet to be continued.